Galvanized wire, the production process. Revealed. Raw material preparation. Mechanical drawing to remove the oxide layer on the wire rod surface. Cold drawing to meet the corresponding specification and performance requirements. Heat treatment adjusts the hardness and performance to make the galvanized wire achieve ideal mechanical properties. After quenching, normalizing, annealing and tempering the steps. Galvanizing improves its corrosion resistance. Rewinding the galvanized wire into a coil. Packaging to ensure safety during transportation.